Hello, how are you again? Pleased to meet you. Here we are, again, an old English brown piece of furniture, and look what happened. Abracadabra. So, we have, in this case, we have two small drawers, like that. 1, 2, 3 large drawers, and then this guy down here, he's called a bracket foot. Okay, a lot to talk about here. It's wallpaper, you can see that. It's Smith & Cole, English company wallpaper, and it's book matched into the piece, and it's matching all the way through. And then the hardware is bronze hardware. This stuff, these are door knockers, believe it or not. They had lines set beyond them, but I made this to be more Art Deco, so I made this piece. And then watch this, it doesn't even touch the piece because I have a stop. There's a stop here, so when the piece goes down, it stops right there so it doesn't touch the wallpaper. Look at that. And these are door knockers. So I like to call this piece a nice set of knockers. Look at that, look at the gracefulness of that. My God. And then inside, look at inside here. I use Sunbrella material. It's a 1/4 inch piece of plywood. I wrapped it in fabric, and it's all lined in the Sunbrella, like sandy Sunbrella fabric. There you go. Look at the top here again. Sunbrella inside. This is Dutch metal, which is kind of Dutch metal leaf, and then it's glazed over with Van Dyke brown and shellac. And the whole piece has been lacquered, or shellacked actually, French polished, and waxed. And very, very nice, very kind of statement piece, I would say, wouldn't you say? And very nice in a hotel. Maybe if you really want to make your room look really different, I would say this would really be a cool statement. So it could be anything you want, any wallpaper you'd ever want to use. We could use it for you on any chest of drawers, but this was an idea that I had, and I thought it came up pretty well again. And again, the baseboard, this guy here, he's got the bracket foot. I put gold leaf and antiqued it so it blends in mostly with the continuity of the paper. So if you like what we're doing, give me the thumbs up or comments below, please. Love to hear from you. So let me know what you think. Every week is a different week. See you next time. Bye bye.